The first step is to arrange the design drawings and estimate the length to be produced. Like this design, the longer is 742 millimeters. We need an additional 2 centimeters on both sides.
So I chose the 78.3 centimeters mold. Copy the mold in design file. Center the design in the mold. Combine the two components. Then select and press C&E. Then prepare the required length of surface fabric, glue and base for the mold. Then the silicone is laminated onto the smooth side of the fabric in order to prevent the formation of bubbles after lamination. We need to manually drill holes in the hot melt adhesive for better adhesion. The white surface is adhesive, which adheres to the smooth surface.
它是有2个面，白色的这个是胶，这面跟这个光滑的这面重合，这个是糙的，这个是光滑的，就这样子贴的。
Adjust the temperature of the ironing machine to 120 degrees and apply a brochure of 5 kilograms. Align the glue with the surface fabric. Tear off the pressed adhesive paper and place it on the table of the laser machine. Everything is ready, and we can output the pattern through the laser machine. After finishing the surface cloth, we are now making the base cloth. The smooth surface with glue is damp.
这里有2个面，然后有胶水，这面是有胶水的哦。这面呢是朝下，有胶水这一面盖在下面。
When making the base fabric, remove the pattern and keep the guide rails on both sides. Press the top and bottom fabrics together using a hot press machine, with adhesive on both sides pressed together. When the bottom and top fabrics overlap, leave an additional slot in the back.
胶水，跟这面胶水的。
Connect the head and tail to form a complete circle. Use our matching small iron to adjust to 160 degrees and fully integrate the interface from the position. After the bottom is connected, we use 401 glue to connect the face. We lift the mold and evenly apply the glue at the interface. Wait for an hour to dry completely, and then a perfect mold is made.